Yo, what is poppin', everyone? Today, I'm gonna bring you guys on a little vlog. I'm back in the US and I've been working Uber Eats, and today I'll bring you guys with me, but I also took the day off early to go hang out with my sister. We went over to a bookshop downtown called Writer's Block, and we also hit up a restaurant after with my family, so hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Bringing you guys with me on a little ride along. We're gonna be doing some Uber Eats today. It's 7:52 right now, and we'll see how many deliveries we can get out today. I just got my first delivery here, going to IHOP, and it was a $12 delivery, so let's get there. It's a pretty dead morning out here in Vegas. I'm sitting over here by Green Valley, and it's a Sunday, so usually there's a lot of offices around here I deliver to, but today is a Sunday, so most likely people aren't working, so the morning is a little bit more dead than usual. By the way, I'm on the new Ace Pro. I just got it in like yesterday, and that's what I've been using now. I'm gonna be using this for all my videos. I also have the Insta 360 I'll be using in combination with this, so that'd be really cool. There's some mixed reviews on it, but I'll see. So it's got a $7 delivery for around 3 miles. I hit that. Burger King real quick. Just got to the dang Burger King, about to pick that up. Hopefully the inside of this place is open. I really hope so. Just got that delivery. It's got that last delivery. Drinks and some Burger King. Get that delivered. Let's get it. Only 0.5. Got another order for Einstein bagels for around $7, 3 miles. Let's head out, get this one delivered onto the next. Got a $8 order plus a $14 order heading the same direction, about 6 miles. I'm going back to my house after this. I gotta bring my mom to work, and then I'm gonna take probably a little break to eat and then continue delivering after that. I just finished those deliveries. About to get something to eat real quick. Gotta bring my mom to work now. Head out.
Oh, you got the camera already?
Yeah. So we just dropped that one off. The lady was so nice, actually. The lady had a fridge in the front with a sign that said you could take anything out of the fridge for delivery drivers as a thank you. And I got a water bottle. She had Gatorade and snacks and all types of stuff, but I honestly didn't bring water, so that was perfect for me. I decided to stop doing Uber a little bit early today because my sister's off work and decided to hang out with her. It's around, right now, 3:44, and we have made a total today. We only did Uber today, no Grubhub, none of that. We only made 110 today. In total, well, we actually haven't got our last tip, so it should be a little bit more than 110. Let's see.
Yeah.
We're out here in downtown Las Vegas with the one and only
right there, but this is
Tara Danielle Brown. Christian Jeffers.
Yo.
We're gonna be looking at this place called the Writer's Block that Tara's been telling me about.
It's really nice.
Because Tara is an avid reader.
You gotta go around, dude. You want to take a picture?
Maybe.
That's
cool.
You wanna go look at the store?
We can go look first.
No, that's okay.
Oh wow. This is really cool. Really pretty.
Right? I love it.
Look at this little room. Oh.
Cowboy romance.
Wow.
Bro. What? I didn't even see him. Hey buddy. What are you doing?
Munching.
Are you munching in there? Oh look.
So, Jen, they have the largest collection of fake birds.
Where?
See how there's a bunch of fake birds everywhere?
I see.
Yeah, they have the largest
I
collection.
feel like I
of
just
fake
realized
birds.
there's like a lot going on.
Yeah, I've come here so many times and I still see like new things every time I come here.
A lot. Another office. Can you use this?
No, I think this is.
Can you like come in here and write?
Maybe.
There's like be an inspo room. There's like penguin section right here.
No, like you can grow your own like Stephen
Oh. Is there like used books in here or is it like all brand new?
These are all like brand new. There's a used bookstore not too far from here.
That's cool. You know who this guy is?
Yeah, you look like. No, you look like that guy. The face and the fish.
Oh, that'd been cool.
No, that one.
The Bosch statue. Damn. That's literally how I feel inside.
What?
That's how I feel like I look like.
No.
Yo.
Show your back.
Is the Totoro book?
Yeah, it's like all the art from.
Oh,
my
that's
favorite
fire. That's fire.
I want to take a picture of this for Emily. How much is this? 35? Wait, that's not bad. I picked up Done and Dusted. It's been on my TBR for a while. And it's like a cowboy
What is a
romance.
TBR?
A to be read list.
A to be read?
Yeah, to be read.
I didn't know that.
TBR.
I need to have a
I have like
TBR.
I think I have like over 100 books on my TBR.
And how many books do you have that you haven't read?
Like 30. No, like
Well,
20. I have 20 physical copies. Like I have not read.
well, if you read a book a day, why is this dude doing the same pose as the bear? Can you do that again, Chris? Like look over. You look like the bear.
Where?
The bear right here. Y'all be doing the same pose.
Like,
I saw the button. Hi.
yeah. I personally.
Tell me about the book, Chris.
Okay, so the book is dystopian. So it's based on a world that's viewed as perfect but kind of imperfect.
I see.
In a lot of ways. Essentially, there's these higher elite people called sites.
Like aliens?
No, they're more
Like
like
the
they're
government?
humans. They're humans. But like imagine like a royal guard of people who their core job is to decide who lives and dies. So they have like a I think someone I actually don't remember who gets gleaned, but instead of killing, it's called gleaning. So essentially, there's this higher elite of people, and their job is to decide who does. And that's
I
it.
see.
And it follows the story of two people who take an apprenticeship of being a scythe.
So it's like kind of like an executioner.
Yeah, more like a Grim Reaper.
Like the real Grimm.
Yeah, you're basically, it's a group of Grimm members.
Alright, I'll read it. We just got done at the writer's block, and now we're gonna be heading to the cafe. We're gonna read some books at the cafe, chill out a little bit, and then we're gonna go get some food with my mom. We're on downtown right now. Yeah, stratosphere vibe. So we just got to one of the OG spots.
What?
Here, where are we at?
Gabby Cafe.
Yes, sir. And what are we gonna do?
Drink.
Read books. We about to gain knowledge out here. Thank you. Who's on the couch?
Okay, I'm with my brother, and we're both gonna get some coffee, hot chocolate, and read. So I'm gonna be reading Divine Rivals. I've heard really good things. I'm excited. What are you gonna read, Jed?
Well, today I'm actually reading How to Seal the Deal by Donald J. Trump.
Stop.
I'm reading Scythe.
It's really good.
It's a pretty
dystopian, YA.
interesting so far. I'm like 20 pages in. We're gonna see, but it's
Slay.
pretty good.
Yeah, slay. And then Christian is over here, and he's
Learning how to code.
He's learning how to code while taking all of our orders to go take our orders
How
for
is
coffee.
Chris managing to do that?
I have no idea. I don't know what he's
It's
doing.
just
Look at him. He's double fisted right now. But yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm like only like I think 10 pages into Divine Rivals, but I really like it so far. So we are going to read, and then we will update you when we are done.
We'll be reading. Going to go pick up our mom.
Yeah, listening to the new Mean Girls soundtrack.
See you there.
Can't wait till it comes out. I would never be good at vlogging.
Oh, there it is.
That's really sulfur.
Hello, Mom.
Hi. Look at my hair.
The outfit check.
Merry Christmas.
So pretty. The reindeer. Rudolph.
Rudolph, reindeer. You see that Pokemon is always slow. Nothing, nobody there. Pokemon, always slow.
Thank you. You're gonna get wine. If you would like.
They have it in the front.
The why they have the one I like they have Naomi.
Naomi?
Yeah.
So we're back at the house. Just took a shower. And pretty much gonna end the day there. Thank you guys for watching. Here, go check out what my sisters do. You playing?
What, Jeff?
Are you playing the scary
Yeah,
game?
this is Lethal Company. So we have to go sell everything, right? Yeah.
Let's see. Damn, Crispy locking the door.
Boy, if you don't
What you doing, bruh?
playing Lethal Company. But I have to go to bed soon.
Is this scary?
It's like it's an app. It's not as much scary as it is like an atmosphere type game where you're constantly living with the fact that you are gonna get scared. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
That's what it feels like. That's why I'm playing in the dark.